It's me again, Dylan here, Rusty Wrench Auto. So I'm pretty excited to tell you guys today we got another project in. This is my own project on top of the Ranger, but I'm going to do a build series on this one also. I guess let's jump into it so I don't bore you guys too much, and then we'll just go through it. So I ended up working out a deal with one of my wiring jobs, and I ended up getting this truck on trade for the job. 76 Ford F-150 extended cab long bed, two-wheel drive. Has a 390 FE motor in it. Not showing transmission. I haven't even been under there to look at it. It does run, actually. It'd been sitting for years, and I threw a battery in it, and about 30 seconds of cranking, it fired up. The carburetor does need rebuilt. It has a fuel leak, and it is an old Holly. Actually runs really good, surprisingly. I was kind of curious to see what it'd be like. But anyways, we'll just kind of walk through this thing. And overall, it's actually in pretty good shape. I'm up here in Indiana, so I mean, when it comes to rust and stuff, you kind of go with what you got. So as you guys can see up here, the roof rails, the previous owner cut it out because it was rusting up there, like right there where the drip edge is. So we're gonna actually cut that out and patch it and just do away with the drip rails. Cab corner, same thing. He said it had some rust in there, but he cut it out, and it actually doesn't look too bad. He said he did this years ago. So we'll get that fixed up. It's got some Bondo in there. Look like, you know, good 1/8 inch of mud in there. So we'll have to dig all that out and see what's going on under there. Bed is actually in really good shape, except for this one spot right here. Same thing, cut it out. And then, so we got to fix that or whatever too. So tailgate needs some work, quite a bit of work actually. I may just replace it, I don't know. We'll see how creative I want to get. But it's got all the trim on it. This truck's actually super complete. You can see this bedside is actually extremely solid. I'd show you the floor, but there's a bunch of stuff in it. It's not bad. It's got needs some work. Same thing over here, the drip edge. That cab corner is bubbling, so we'll fix that. Does need doors. I don't really know that. Excuse me. I don't know. I want to repair them. I kind of just want to see if I can't find some original rust-free ones. But yeah, it's not too bad of a truck. It's pretty gross in here, but I mean, for being a 76 and sitting for years, it's all complete. It's even got the seats back here in the back. I think these are speakers, I believe. Not super sure. I've never had an extended cab or a super cab, one of these. I have a 78 Ford regular cab, long bed, so I wanted to get a extended cab long bed, and this one just happened to step into my path. So, but the big plan for this truck, guys, some of you guys may know, some of you may not. I actually sold this truck about 2 weeks ago for like 3 days, and unfortunately it had a bad fuel injector O-ring, so started spitting and sputtering and then making its own oil. At least I hope it's an O-ring. I don't think it's a cracked injector cut, but if it is, I guess we're going to be putting heads on it. But this truck is actually 650 to 700 horse, stock head bolts, stock trans, and yes, I know I'm, you know, basically running with the devil here, but send it. This truck is an 05 6.0, 82,000 miles, not even 82,000, completely rust free. This truck's been in a Diesel Army magazine, been to multiple shows, yada yada. I'm a part of Elevated Empire, and Blessed Performance is who I deal with all the time for all my performance parts and stuff like that. So, super clean truck. It used to be hood stacked, it's not anymore. But we're gonna take the body off of it. I'll show you guys under the hood. I took the battery out, so again, not my original hood. This was previous guy. But like I said, we're gonna take the body off this truck. So, and we are going to body swap it with the 76. And I want to show you guys, walk you guys through that. I guess a little more on this truck is has 190/75 holders premiums, SoCal T4 kit with a S366 Borg Warner and Spedding diesel, 91 exhaust housing. What else we got? We got regulated return from XDP, fuel bowl delete from XDP, bean sump, fast 220, 5-inch no limit intake, PSP diesel engine dress up kit, Mishimoto, intercooler piping, blah blah blah, you name it. So I'm kind of sad, bittersweet that we're going to cut this truck up, but I'm getting kind of bored with it. And then this one stepped in, and I think that's what we're going to do. Obviously, we're going to be going from a crew cab short bed to an extended cab long bed, so we'll have to make some different body mounts and stuff like that. But like I said, I've always wanted one of these trucks, and if I can make them both one, I think my fiance would be a lot happier, to be honest. Let's see if we can get this thing to fire up here. I'll set you guys up here on the tripod. Okay, I got you guys set up. I'll see if this will start up. I gotta hook the battery up, and like I said, it has a crack or a leaking carburetor, so that needs rebuilt. But it should fire up. It just did a couple days ago, so let's see if we can do it real quick. Guys, I haven't even started this in a couple days since I bought the truck, or got the truck, and it just fired up just like that. Super, super happy, even though I'm not going to be using this motor, and I thought about putting it in my 78, but it's actually not leaking right now. So yeah, guys, that's kind of what we got going on in the garage, I guess. Just kind of add to the projects we already have. I have an opportunity to do this with a lift, but we are going to do it at home in the garage, just to kind of help show you guys that you can do a lot more in your garage than you probably think you can. So it just takes some manpower, some will, and a little bit of money. So if you guys want to watch, tag along. This is going to be a new series with this truck, and I think we're going to tag it the 76 Super Duty, and that should be kind of the tag for you guys to see it. And then we are currently waiting on our tubing bender so I can work on the Ranger some more. So hopefully here soon we'll get that, and then get some more updates on that for you guys. But other than that, appreciate you guys watching. My views have been kind of going up some more, getting some more followers. But I really appreciate every single one of you guys and anybody that's coming in to watch. Hopefully we can keep on doing this, get some more videos out there, get some more projects, and keep on keeping on. So thank you guys, appreciate it.